Hello everyone. Today let's replace the fan of this pigeon induction stove or induction cooker. When we power it on, actually when I switch it on, the fan should start rotating. Actually there is no problem with the heating. It does work. See, it does heat. But the thing is, the fan is not rotating. And if we continue using it in the same way, there are chances that the IGBT will get burned. That is, the MOSFET will be burnt, and the circuit may fail, causing more expenses. So to avoid more expense on repair, let's change the fan. First of all, switch it off, take the plug out, turn it upside down. Now remove all these screws. There are totally 8 screws. Okay, now we have removed the screws. Pull this in this way. It's a very simple one. Keep this side because it is glass. Be careful with that glass. Here you can see this is the fan. Here is the connector. Just pull it gently. Okay, remove the wire from dressing. This way here. Here we go. Only these 2 screws. Take the fan out. Here's the fan. You can easily buy this fan in a local electronic spare part market. First of all, I'll try to brush up some dust. So now take the new fan. Actually, it is easy to get this fan in the local electronic market here in India. But if you have placed some other parts, I will try to upload a link for you. Dress it in this way, in these grooves here. You can take it in this groove here or from here. And see this notch here, you can see this lock. It should lock here into the cut. Here you see in this way. Just press it gently. Or else you can take it in this way here. Again inside and then out. Okay, these springs should be straight because these are the sensors for switch, touch switch. Just let me clean this a bit. Now first let me switch it on and check whether the fan will rotate. You can make it by sound itself. Okay, this is on. Now you can see the fan is rotating. So take the screws. Take the screws. problem. It has taken the because that's not working, and even if it is working, not causing enough cooling. Watch them slowly. Don't watch too much. The battery will break. So you let us check it once again. You can hear the fan sound, and the device will work as well. You can see 300 watts power it's consuming. Okay, hope this video is going to be helpful for you in replacing the fan of Pigeon or any other brand induction stove on your own. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.